Welcome back to Home and Lifestyle TV. I'm your host, Tiffany Hendra, and today we have something super spectacular for you. We're here at the Gaylord Texan Resort bringing you an extraordinary brand new exhibit, the first of its kind in the world, and it's perfect for the whole family this summer. We take a magical journey through the all-new Universe of Light, featuring the legendary DC Universe. And to take us on this exciting tour, the incredible Martha Niebling of Gaylord Texan and Friends and Superman.
Hi, Tiffany.
Hi.
Welcome to Universe of Light at Gaylord Texan. This immersive experience takes you inside the DC Universe to meet all of your favorite superheroes and supervillains.
Wow, it's amazing. And I mean, come on, I've always wanted to be Wonder Woman.
Yes, I think every little girl dreamed of being Wonder Woman. I think you actually are Wonder Woman, Tiffany.
I'll take that. I actually got a sneak peek of it and can barely wrap my brain around it. It's so cool.
It's truly incredible. Plus, there are meet and greet moments with your DC superheroes like Superman.
Are you ready?
Yeah! Okay, let's go. Spanning an impressive 17,500 square feet, the Universe of Light features over 1,000 glowing lanterns, some towering up to 24 feet tall.
Whoa, I did not know what to expect. It's insane.
I love every room. It's also big and grand, and the colors are super vibrant.
Yeah, it's like you're walking through a real-life comic book.
It is. The artistry behind it and how it's created is what makes it truly unique. As you can see, you'll encounter iconic scenes from Batman's Gotham City, Wonder Woman's Themyscira, and Superman's Metropolis.
The artistry is remarkable.
It is. We had 165 artisans from Zhejiang, China build this out. First, they started with 200,000 pounds of steel. Hand-shaped every piece that you see, whether that's a superhero, a prop, or even the walls. Covered it with 30 miles of silk and then hand-painted each one.
Wow. And our favorite, Wonder Woman!
Each display is a blend of artistry and innovation, rooted in a 1,000-year-old tradition of lantern making from Zhejiang, China. Tiffany, welcome to the Batcave.
Oh my gosh, look at all the selfie moments.
I love this room, especially because of the Batmobile. You can actually sit in it, take a picture inside.
Wow.
But there's caves in Wonder Woman's universe, and of course you meet the characters. For now, though, should we take a selfie?
Of course we should.
Let's do it. All right. Guests can sit and take selfies inside the iconic Batmobile, embark on a journey through the Fortress of Solitude, and even take part in an epic battle of the Justice League.
I know that this attraction is just one of the many activities you have as part of Gaylord Texan's DC Summer.
Yes, inside the resort, visitors can experience DC Universe-themed character breakfasts, superhero missions, atrium light shows, scavenger hunts, DC character life shows, and an art studio.
All of those, including Universe of Light, are indoors and air-conditioned to help beat the Texas heat this summer. Unless you want to splash into summer.
One of the hottest places to cool off this summer is right here at Paradise Springs Water Park. Our enormous outdoor water park, lazy river, and all-around hangout for everyone to enjoy. Families can enjoy a 600-foot-long winding lazy river, a 6,000-square-foot family lagoon with a walk-in beach, 2 horseshoe-shaped hot pools, zip lines, water basketball, towering water slides. The giant water treehouse is another feature that can't be missed, including a variety of water features, slides, and a refilling dump bucket every 2 minutes. While the kids are swimming, I think I'm gonna do a little adulting. Now that's a perfect summer. Our luxurious cabanas are a favorite and made available for rental, and a great way to relax while you're taking it all in. My added suggestion, enjoy it with snacks and an icy treat.
Wow, how cool was that? Amazing. Martha, how can our viewers get tickets?
Yes, just go online to GaylordTexan.com. We can't wait for families to experience the magic of DC Universe this summer.
Thank you, Martha. Be sure to check out this amazing experience and create some unforgettable memories this summer at Gaylord Texan. Until then, keep living the home and lifestyle you love. We'll see you next time.